There's a reason it's the midnight. So your spirits that act in the midnight, your spirits, the spirits that kill in the night, Obunaban, Alusi Sogi, Arobina Agu Sogi, Moike Sogi, Moi Bubo Sogi, that you are appeasing them with this egg and this bitter cola, that they should take this bitter cola and remove bitter fortune for you. How will Aki Inua, Wepologia Kainu? No metalubulu, this is about your mother, right? Or metalubulu, that you are not going to abandon your mother. That one, what they want to do with her is left to them. They are not going to abandon her. That you've told her, if a day law can you be kupulani, in noziano adelu wata. The work of the elder is to speak. The work of the child is now whether they want to listen or not. So you now, as the elder in this situation, you have talked to her to do what is right, but she does not want to hear. And you are not going to abandon your mother. So they should not use whatever is her negligence to come and spoil something for you. That you now, you are here on your own behalf. That they should take this akinu and wapulogi akainu, and that this egg now, that they should take the blood of this egg. That is the blood of this egg that will be shattered. That is this egg that will be shattered, and not your life, not your business, not your fortunes. That they should take this egg now, and also as the egg, as the blood egg is the beginning of life, that this should be the beginning of a new life between you and them, a new alliance between you and your alusi, your arobinagu ben negi and your arobinagu ben nagi. Then you now do the anti-clockwise thing, right? And you also tell them that if it is a human being, that that is affecting you, that the only reason that human being can affect you and your fortunes is because you are not aligned with your spirits. That as you are aligning with them now, they should carry the fight on your behalf and go and attack whoever is thinking bad for you and doing bad for you. That you have spirits, that nothing can happen to you when you have spirits. That so you have covered your bases, right? You've covered the base of if it's you. You've covered the base of that you are not going to abandon your mother. You have covered the base of if somebody is chasing you, right? That you are aligning with your spirits. So that you are aligning with them, you are appeasing them, that you know that you are able that you are a big daughter of theirs, you're a big spirit of theirs, and you are supposed to be doing bigger things for them, but that things have really spoiled and they know, and that this egg should just be the beginning, and that they should bring a change in your fortunes, and that once they bring a change in your fortunes, you are going to appreciate them more, speak for them, and do a bigger sacrifice for them. So speak from your heart in the middle of the night with this egg and bitter cola. Speak from your heart in the middle of the night. And you say at the end, Nafa Chuku Nandia and keep you say God bless.